Install the display. Install the accessory holder. Install the Dermabrasion handle. Install the spray handle. Install the skin detection handle. Install the HR handle. Install the shovel handle. Install the ultrasound handle. Install the vibrator handle. Install the cold/hot handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. Press the button to remove the A, B, and C bottles in turn. Remove the cap to introduce specific solutions into the bottles. Secure the cap back on. Attach all the bottles to the main machine. Detach bottle D, remove its cap, pour in pure water, and securely attach it to the main machine. Detach the bottle for wastewater, drain the water, and securely attach it to the main machine. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument.